This script is good because it subliminally will lead you to a lot of different areas if you use it properly. Yeah. Do you want to role play where I'm the recruiter and you're the client?
Yeah, sure.
All right, cool. So I'll call you and I'll be trying to sell you like telecom services and then you can throw some stuff at me, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So ring ring.
Hello, this is Aaron.
Hey Aaron,
All
it's
right.
Russell Liebowitz. Hey, I'm with ConnectGen. I know you're busy. Real quick, so I provide staff augmentation services for wireless 5G infrastructure companies. And the core competency skill sets that I work in are DAS, small cell, CBRS. I noticed that you're a manager of DAS over at T-Mobile and just wanted to connect with you and see if I can be a resource for you if you ever need to bring on resources for any project work that you have from time to time.
Well, that sounds good, but I don't have the budget for that right now.
Oh, okay. Was there a time when you did? Have you ever used a recruiter or an agency like myself?
I have an internal team that hires, does this for me.
Gotcha. Okay. So are they finding like DAS technicians and engineers, or what do you primarily hire for?
DAS technicians.
DAS techs? Okay, awesome. Well, hey, for what it's worth, as an insurance plan, if for some reason your internal team isn't able to identify a very good qualified A player, I call them A player candidates. I'd like to raise my hand and be that resource for you. Look, I can kind of go over my process and fee structure. I don't think now's the right time, but when you do have that need, or for some reason your team can't pull through, we're here to help you. Okay.
Okay, great. What's your cost?
Okay, yeah. So, well, a lot goes into that. There'd be a lot more that I need to learn from you about that before I can really quote you a price. You see, Aaron, because we are performance based. So you're going to pay us as we perform for you. That's the best way to do it. There's a lot of recruiters out there who will charge you an arm and a leg without actually giving you results. But that's not who we are. So we don't believe in using job boards. We have a phenomenal candidate pipeline of candidates that are currently working. We call them passive candidates. These are candidates that we roll up our sleeves, call into companies, most likely competitors to your company. They are the A players. They are meeting and exceeding company objectives year over year. Aaron, there's only 10% of these employees in every company. So these are the ones that we recruit and that we will present to you.
Okay, yeah, that sounds great.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah, so look, it sounds like right now you're not really in the mode to hire or use someone like myself, which I completely appreciate it. But if that should ever change, again, I want to be a resource for you. And oh, by the way, Aaron, is there anybody else within your organization that hires contract employees or that may need to hire an employee right now that I can connect with?
Yeah, I can think of two, and I can send you their information. Are you providing a referral fee?
Oh yeah. That's not a conflict of interest for you internally. I sure can. Yeah, I can work that out for you. And I'll tell you what I'll do to make your life easy. When we hang up here, I'll send you an email with my collateral. There'll be a capability statement there, my contact information. And if you want to tee up an email to your colleague and myself, that's probably the best. I've noticed that's the best way to do it. I can take it out of your hands. I know you're a busy man, and I can run with it. So again, for what it's worth, this has been a great call. I'm glad we got some value from it, and I look forward to building a relationship with you down the road.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you, Russ.
Awesome. Have a great day, Aaron. Thanks.
It's really impressive.
Yeah. Yeah. So there's always directions you can take that call. Like never give up, like managers are going to be guarded. You were good. I mean, you were tough, and also there's times when you have those calls, which is a dead end road. Like you don't have to keep fighting.
Right.
The manager is being a dick and he's not, and he's in a bad mood. He just doesn't want to talk. Like, don't press him. Don't push him in a corner and irritate him more, so.
No, that's really good how you handle it. Because, yeah, I mean, you get those questions all the time, right? Well, not all the time, but I've gotten those questions before. I was just like all over the place. So how you handle it is super smooth and really confident and able to answer those questions, but also know that, hey, you don't have to try and go all out for that one guy, you know, there's more you can move on to. So, and then you ask for the referral at the end. So
Yeah.
that's really professional.
Yeah, always go for that. So